Hello, everybody. So, yeah, it's been a while since I posted anything on the workshop on this channel here, but I needed to bring the stuff back in order, everything that Carney, our new addition to the house, has brought in, and I did a bit of modifications. So I'm gonna start from, I guess I'll start from right there. I'll just spin around. Yeah, it's a little messy still, but we're in the process of organizing the place. So he's set up his lathe over here on a bench. He's got another workbench over here. That's with his sharpening tool for the chisels and other stuff, right? And then we have the work table. Check out how I was able to lift it. That's how I lifted the work table from the height, so that it's actually counter height. Instead of being way too low, I raised it by a good 15 centimeters, I'd say, 6 inches, close to 6 inches. And I did a bit of cleanup in here. Still don't know where I'm going to put the router table thing. It might be a migrator to this bench over here and go back. On this table here, we have the drill press, which you saw me use to sharpen up my chisels. We have a bandsaw and a little charging station for the drills and whatnots. This is the catch-all desk right now. Right now it's got a few projects that's on the go. I'm going to replace this drawer for a dresser that is down there. And then you have the other shelving unit with a bunch of tools. My newest addition is the 780 compound miter sliding saw with the Shop Nation. And if you have the 780 or the 779, I highly suggest to go check out Shop Nation. I'll put a link down below. Shop Nation for this little dust extraction thingy here. It's a heck of a better system. First of all, your apron back there is way better and bigger, so it catches a lot of the dust going out. Yes, there's still stuff flying on the side. It is a chop saw after all. But this system works better than the original one that you used to fit back here. Okay? You can take my word for it. Go check out his website. I'll put the link down below. And I got my little shop vac, which is teamed up with my dust extraction. I got that from Lee Valley. Actually, it's this cover here fits on just a garbage can, but that dust extractor, that vacuum is too powerful. So I'll show you what I did down below. Inside, I mean. See what I mean? See, that's how much crap that doesn't go into the vacuum. See what I did over here? I made a ring out of just MDF over here in order to hold get the can to hold its shape. Because even if I block the pipe for some reason, the pipe gets blocked like real good, it will actually collapse the can slightly. So I go conk conk until I unblock the thing. But it really works. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, it was cheap. I think that that cover was $30 Canadian, 27, something like that. I can't remember. It could be more than that. Maybe 50. Okay, let's go $50 Canadian. But if you look at other systems that will go up in upwards of $200, $300. Okay, so that works really, really well. And I added a 20-foot hose to this beast, so I could vacuum the whole shop if I want to. And everything, all the big bits goes in here, and very, very little goes into the vacuum itself. The bag, there's nothing in the bag, and there's nothing in the filter is super clean still. Okay. Yeah, I got rats. I'm in a barn, so I made some traps, and they failed totally. So yeah, that's so I got to content with rats because we have chicken barn, and they like our food. They like the food. So anywho, guys, this is that was update number. Well, that's the first update since I posted. Oh, I forgot. I changed the. I had way back when I had these neon lights, and I switched them over to these LED strips, and man, oh man, the difference in the lighting in here is incredible. So it comes and it comes up and there you guys could see it's daisy chained, or you could just add one and hardwire it or plug it in the wall. So it's all up to you. So what I did is I actually hardwired it where that's the wiring for the lights fixtures that was up here. So I used that, put it in the box, and hardwired it, and that powers the whole system. Yeah, so it's really good. I am going to get more of these to put in downstairs, and possibly change the one in the back room down there. Okay, and hopefully it won't take as long to put the next video up, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget, thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I see you in the next one. Cheers.